Someone recently asked me where they can see all my products with details. That question showed me something important. I don't actually have a proper place where everything I sell is clearly organized. Not because the products are bad, but because people simply don't know where to find them. I realized the real issue wasn't quality, it was visibility. I'm not a web designer, I don't code, and I don't want to spend weeks learning it or thousands paying someone else. I needed a way to turn an idea into a real website without changing my workflow. Something that works inside the way I already create content and build projects. That's why I tested B12, not as a promo, as a practical tool inside a real workflow. B12 is an AI website builder designed for entrepreneurs and small teams. The system is built by the same group that developed the website generator used inside ChatGPT, which means the core idea is already tested at scale. The promise is simple. You describe what you want. The system generates a working site, then you refine. Quick heads up before we start. In every video here on AI Border, 2 random viewers who leave a comment below will win a pro account of this very tool. So make sure to drop a comment, share your thoughts, or even just an emoji, because the next winner might be you. Let's jump into the video. I'm on the B12 homepage. In the center, there's a prompt box. This is where everything starts. Instead of writing something generic, I describe the business and the structure I need. I type that I want a modern jewelry website to sell handmade necklaces and earrings, that it should feel elegant and premium. Include product pages, an about section, a blog, and a contact form with a bright and clean design and soft colors. After typing this, I click Enhance Prompt and then Generate. It asks me to create a login. A few seconds later, a complete website is created. Pages, layout, structure, and styling are already in place. No template selection, no blank canvas. Inside the dashboard, there are 2 main modes: AI Agent and Menu. AI Agent is for giving instructions in plain language. Menu is for manual adjustments. I start in AI Agent mode. I type that I want to add my product image to the home page and upload the image. I tell the system to name the product Aurora Shine and add a short luxury-style description. It updates the page automatically. I then ask it to change the theme to something more elegant and modern. The entire site updates in one step. Nothing here feels like traditional website building. I'm not choosing blocks or dragging elements. I'm describing outcomes. When I switch to edit mode, I get direct control. I can click on text and rewrite it. I can change fonts, adjust colors, replace images, and move sections. On the product page, I set prices, add longer descriptions, and upload more images. The interface stays simple. No technical settings, no code. Once the content looks right, I click Preview. I check navigation, buttons, and layout. If something feels off, I go back and adjust it. When everything is ready, I click Publish. The site goes live. If I want, I can connect a custom domain. From start to finish, this entire process takes a few minutes. Manually, the same result usually means hiring someone, waiting days, and going through revisions. Here, the flow is direct. Describe, generate, adjust, publish. This matters because speed changes behavior. When creating becomes easy, you ship more. When you ship more, you test more ideas. When you test more ideas, you find what actually works. B12 removes the technical wall between your idea and a real online presence. If you want to try the same workflow, the link is in the description. Let me know what kind of website you end up building. If this video helped you understand the workflow, hit like so more people can find it. Subscribe if you want more practical AI tools that actually save time and make money. Also, quick reminder, every week I randomly choose people from the comments and give away premium accounts from the tools I review. So if you're watching, leave a comment. You might be one of the winners in the next video. Until next time, bye-bye.